Salut! We are talking about articles in French today, and I have stated earlier that we have the masculine spelling and the feminine spelling. So let's see the first article, definite article, the THE, as we have it in English. So how do we spell it in French? We spell it as LE, le, in French, LE, la. That's the feminine spelling. And the plural form is le, LES. Let's see example. We have the boy. In French, we say le garçon. La fille. The girl. The girl. La fille. And the plural form, les garçons, the boys. There's another form, a situation whereby you have the vowel sound or vowel letter coming immediately after the definite article, the. So in that case, you just put L apostrophe. For example, the hospital. If you are going to write it in French, you will write it as l'hôpital. I will continue in our next video with indefinite article.